Good Thursday evening, folks. A windy one for us. Our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam showing. Yeah, it is windy out there. Southeast winds are definitely notable for us this Thursday evening. And looking, of course, at those current stats for the current conditions, we're seeing winds out of the southeast around 15 miles per hour in Fargo. Same in Grand Forks, but a little bit gustier in Grand Forks this hour. 28 mile per hour gust at the airport in Grand Forks. 26 mile per hour gust for our friends in Devil's Lake. So you can see those yellows. That indicates a bit windier conditions. So it looks like North Dakota, the windiest of our area this afternoon, with those winds out of the southeast around 10 to 15 miles per hour in Bemidji, Wadena, and in Roseau. Just a few passing clouds for us this afternoon. Nothing to be too concerned about if you have any outdoor plans. But look at these temperatures. If you're stepping out for an after-dinner walk, we've already got temperatures in the 60s for pretty much everybody. Average high for this time of year is around 61 degrees. 59 degrees right now in Baudette as the cool spot, but still some low to mid 70s along the South Dakota state line. Also keeping our eyes on Hurricane Delta. The 4 o'clock update has that at a Category 3 storm, which has winds gusting to 140 miles per hour. And it does look to be as a Category 3 or near that when it makes landfall in southern Louisiana, the Gulf Coast of Louisiana. Later on tomorrow, it looks like it could be in the evening hours then on Friday, where that will make landfall. Then weaken quickly as a Category 1 hurricane through the Alexandria, Louisiana area before moving off into northern Mississippi through the weekend. So this is something we're watching very carefully, as Louisiana has been battered by tropical weather all summer long. So here's how the hour by hour looks closer to home. So by, say, 10 o'clock or so, still a bit of a southeasterly breeze with us, not quite as windy as it is now, but still a bit breezy for us by 10 o'clock. Widespread 50s by 10 o'clock, and then you can see by 3 a.m. those winds do calm down for pretty much everybody, with temperatures cooling eventually by tomorrow morning into the 40s and 50s. So that south wind will help to make our overnight temperatures tonight a bit more mild than they were this morning. Then as we go toward the afternoon hours tomorrow, look at this, just a few passing clouds. Winds will again be out of the northwest tomorrow, so again a bit breezy but not too windy for us on our Friday afternoon. Expecting the 60s, 70s by 3 o'clock. Could see some low 80s even in the warm spots tomorrow afternoon in the Southern Valley. And then into Saturday morning, some cool air does move back in from the north and west. And so we'll be back in those 30s and 40s to get us started for the first day of the weekend. But of course, that first alert weather day is going for Sunday. We do have the chance of some strong and severe storms, mainly in our Minnesota neighborhoods is how it's looking right now. And it looks to be Sunday night, with wind being the primary threat in any storm that may become strong to severe in our northern Minnesota neighborhoods. So again, if you do have those weekend plans, just make sure to plan ahead and make sure that the possibility for strong to severe storms will be with us on Sunday night into the early morning hours on Monday. But closer to home again for closer to tomorrow, so closer to now, we're seeing the hometown forecast shows those 60s in northern Minnesota with mid 70s through the heart of the valley here, with a better chance of those low 80s in the Southern Valley for our Friday. That is well above average for this time of year. Our beautiful photo of the day is some morning clouds in Twin Valley. Thanks, Annette, for uploading the beautiful colors there to our website, valleynewslive.com. Here's how things look for the days ahead. Of course, Saturday, quite a bit cooler. Sunny, but quite a bit cooler, about 10 degrees cooler for Saturday, in those mid 60s for Saturday. Sunday around 70, but we have that first alert weather day with a chance of some PM showers and storms, and those storms could become strong to severe. And then Cali, we are much cooler into next week, the 50s and 60s for those high temperatures as we move through a dry next week.
All right, thank you for watching those storms for us, Nathan.
Of course.